In our biodynamic Manufaktur you can design your own headphones or your own headset due to your own wishes and ideas. In addition to ear pads and different ring colors, you can also have your name engraved on the headset. Only in our MMX 300 Manufaktur you have the chance to have your own image with your own design printed on the ear cup. You can upload your own image, but please check our information about the image requirements on our website before you upload your own image. In the next step, your headphones or your headset will be customized by hand in our biodynamic Manufaktur in Heilbronn, Germany. First, the ear cup is printed and the system fork engraved. This is followed by the final assembly of all individual components. At the end of the process, your product is tested visually and acoustically. In the final step, we pack your product safely and deliver it to your home. You will be kept informed about every step via email. You will usually receive your manufactured product within 7 to 14 working days.